morning. Good. Hey. Morning. Yeah. I prepared chicken yesterday for kitties. Ooh, they're going crazy. And cut into chunks and put it in the food processor to make it into a really tiny fluffy I don't know, powderedly chicken. It's easy for them to digest. Ooh. Alright, I'll feed you now. Ooh. Yeah, get out of the box. Bring across some chicken. And I want them to drink water. Cats don't drink water as much as other animals, so. Ooh. So I add water. Like that. Right. Sit. Okay, bye. Yes, bye. Okay, sit. One time. Yes, bye. Okay. Wee. There you go. Thank you, sit. Okay. Yep. One thing. Yep. The other one. One time. The other one. Oh, one time. The other one. One more time. The other one. How many times can you go more? Okay. The other one. One time. 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 The other one. Are you getting tired? One time. Oh, the other one. One time. Oh, one time. Yes. There you go. Good job. I didn't count how many times you just did. Pokey. 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 Sit. Come on. The other paw. No. The other paw. Yes. One more time. The other paw. Good boy. Can you do it one more time? One more time. Whoa. Whoa. The other one. No. The other paw. Yes. Good boy. There you go. Alright. Then I'm gonna clean now. Here you go. Did you guys switch? You guys always switch. I think Haku wants to eat food that other cats are eating. Hi baby. Are you gonna rest there now? His usual spot. So this, I don't know how to call this, magnetic knife board. So I just got a magnetic tape and attached to the wall and then cover with the wood pattern sheet. So kind of cheap DIY, but that's been working fine. But the thing is, the tape that I use to make this magnetic stick to the wall is pretty damn strong. So I don't even know how to take this off. I was like, man, I'll just think about it when I move out. And now is the time. There's no way I can just do it with my hand. Ah, it's so hard. Well, I'll see. Well, first I can definitely peel this. damn, it's hard. You have been very, very helpful. But you're very stubborn and not helpful now. Ooh. Oh, it's only the first layer. Okay, I totally forgot. One sheet, one layer came off. Woohoo! Like real challenge to start from here. You've been really helpful, and thank you so much. Thank you. お疲れ様でした。Alright, I need a tool. I'm human. I'm a human. I use tools. That's what differentiates me from the rest of you guys cats. I have hands instead of paws. It's more helpful. I think I'll start with this. It's pretty sharp and pointy, but I'm just trying to, get the corner. Nope, there is no way I can do this without scratching the bowl. Whatever this is, I'm done. Ta-da! Pizza cutter! Oh? これいいんじゃない？これいける？ A little bit more. Oh! Yay! Ah. You serious? I think I have to pay for this painting now. Just how strong are you? It's freaking tape. It peels the freaking wall. Can't believe it. I have to get rid of the rest of it too. So, ta-da! Slowly. Are you serious? Just this part? God. Could have done this better without ruining anything. So, if I do it slowly, it comes off cleanly. Damn it. It comes off so easily. How come only this part? So yeah, pizza cutter works. Damn it! Okay, next. Alright, I'll continue cleaning / destroying apartment. She's hungry? Do I need a leftover now? Alright, time lapse. Ta-da! I don't know how much I have to pay for this. Well, it's done. Done. Now I'm going to start packing for moving. So I guess next video I'll be making will be in my new kitchen. My actual kitchen. Jen's kitchen. Well, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye. Baby.